Have you lost your cryptocurrency? Maybe you forgot your seed phrase, sent coins to the wrong address, got locked out of an exchange, or even fell victim to a scam. Don't panic. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to recover your lost cryptocurrency step by step. Some cases are recoverable and others may not be, but knowing the difference can save you time, money, and future mistakes. Plus, stick around to the end for expert tips to protect your crypto long-term so this never happens again. Let's start by identifying the type of loss, because not all lost crypto is the same, and the recovery path depends entirely on what happened. The main types of loss include forgot seed phrase or private key, sent crypto to the wrong wallet address, lost access to an exchange, like Binance, Coinbase, etc., hacked wallet or scam or theft, lost or damaged hardware wallet, ledger, Trezor, can't verify identity for exchange access. Each scenario has a different potential for recovery, so let's go case by case. If you lost access to your wallet because you forgot your seed phrase, this is unfortunately one of the toughest to recover because your wallet is decentralized. That means no central authority can reset your password or recover your keys. But here's what you can do. Check if the phrase was backed up in your Notes app, password manager, email drafts, cloud storage, or written down somewhere physically. If you used a browser-based wallet like MetaMask, your wallet might still be logged in on that browser. Some wallets generate seed phrases from known algorithms. If you remember part of the phrase, there are tools like BTC Recover that might help guess the rest, but it's highly technical. If the phrase is completely gone, recovery is extremely unlikely. But don't lose hope just yet. This happens more often than you'd think. You copy-paste the wrong address or forget the memo wash tag while sending to an exchange. Here's what to do. Use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or BSC Scan to trace the transaction. If it went to an address you control, you're safe, just access it from the other wallet. If it went to someone else's wallet, unless they agree to send it back, it's likely lost. Blockchain transactions are irreversible. If it went to an exchange without memo wash tag like XRP or XLM, contact support immediately with your transaction ID. They might recover it for you. Pro tip, some exchanges have a 7 to 14 day recovery window. Act fast. Let's say your problem is with an exchange account. You forgot your password, lost your two-factor authentication device, or can't verify your identity. Steps to try. Use the forgot password option and recovery email. For lost two-factor authentication, look for backup codes or contact support directly with your ID and selfie. If KYC verification fails, resubmit documents with correct formatting, clean background, no filters, and matching details. Most top exchanges like Coinbase or Binance do have recovery options, but you'll need to be patient. Support can take days or weeks. If you were scammed or hacked, like your private key was leaked or your wallet was drained, this is serious. Here's what to do. Use blockchain tracking to trace the wallet address your crypto was sent to. Report the address to major platforms, like Etherscan exchanges, so it gets flagged. Contact a blockchain forensic firm or legal expert who specializes in crypto scams. Some names include Chainalysis, Cypherblade, and others. Never trust random crypto recovery services online. Most of them are scams that steal even more. Recovery here is rare, but possible if the stolen funds were moved to a centralized exchange that can freeze the wallet. If you lost your hardware wallet, your crypto is still safe, as long as you have the seed phrase. Steps to recover: buy a new device, ledger, Trezor, etc. During setup, choose Restore from Recovery phrase. Enter the 12 to 24 word phrase, and your wallet will be restored, including balances and tokens. If you've lost both the device and the seed phrase, unfortunately, recovery isn't possible. This is why it's critical to store your recovery phrase offline and in multiple secure places. Final tips to protect your crypto: use hardware wallets and never store private keys online. Always back up your seed phrase, on paper or secure encrypted storage. Turn on two-factor authentication on all crypto platforms. Never click on links or DMs offering recovery services. Double-check addresses and network chains before sending crypto. Use multi-sig wallets or password managers for added security. That means ultimate freedom, but also ultimate responsibility. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop a comment below with your situation, or if you've ever recovered lost crypto before. You might help someone else too. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.